We are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this modern Asian home. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation, facing east, on my right side, ito yung inyong entrance for your 3-vehicle carport. Patch of greens in this space, adding some welcoming vibe before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate. By the way, you have your langka tree. Ang ganda, no? So upon entering from your gate, on my left side, ito yung inyong side garden with rockscape, adding some homey vibe in this space. And ang ganda ng view coming from your tall windows and sliding doors na sa inyong dining and living area. For the flooring or the outdoor flooring, porcelain tiles rough texture, it complements well dito sa inyong mga garden. Your 3-vehicle carport, totally covered by your canopy from your second floor. And by the way, for our gate, this has a provision for an automation or the mechanism for an automated gate. The location of your huge SUV or van, room for your staff and toilet and bath, and access going to your service area, so mas maganda yung workflow going out. And at the back part of the property, you have your cistern tank. Okay, so going back here dito sa inyong porch, covered by canopy and your solid wood main door. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering dito sa inyong main entrance, you will be welcomed by an open layout design dito sa buong ground level. At hindi lang yan, no? Lots of natural light. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation coming from these windows and sliding doors. And of course, ang ganda rin ng view ng inyong side garden. And in this space, your living or receiving area with your split type AC. Warm and cozy vibe coming from your pin lights and cove light dito sa ating ceiling. Your powder room. And in this space, ito naman yung inyong magiging dining area. Kasya dito yung inyong 10-seater dining table. Fronting dito sa inyong sliding door. So if you want yung instant al fresco, just open this up and you're still covered from outside the elements. You have an access going here. Ayan. So ang ganda, no? Ganda talaga ng mga ganitong type of garden with combination of natural wood. Ganda, lalo nagiging homey yung bahay. So coming from your dining area, and by the way, fronting dito sa inyong space na ito, pwede nyo paglagay ng inyong console table or a buffet table with cabinet. Your split type AC. And if you want naman yung mga living dining designs, so pwede kayo maglagay dito ng inyong media wall with provision for your electric outlets, cable, and internet. Dito sa dulo, your main kitchen, your L-shape and island counter. Lots of food preparation space. These are man-made quartz for the finish nitong inyong counter. Your base and hang cabinets for your storage. Those are modular and of course, ang ginamit nila is marine plywood para matibay, no? And water resistant. So, hindi mabilis masira kapag nagluluto kayo, evaporation and all. Kapag naghuhugas kayo ng pinggan, hindi mabilis masira yung ganyang cabinet. Okay, so integrated appliances, itong inyong induction cook hob with provision for your range hood, multipurpose sink, your 4-door refrigerator together with your microwave and oven, floor-to-ceiling cabinet para sa inyong pantry, and kung gusto nyo naman ng heavy cooking at ayaw nyo maamoy sa loob ng bahay, you have that space. Including na rin yung front-load dryer and washing machine, your 3 gas burners fronting dito sa inyong sliding window para sa evaporation and all. Meron kayong ventilation. So we're done here dito sa ground floor. Akit tayo sa itaas. For the stairs, horizon and handrails, solid wood, tangili yung kanilang ginamit. Step lights installed, metal balustrades, and tempered glass. And dito sa second floor, laminated board engineered to the whole second level. So we have 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each. Your master bedroom, walk-in closet, vanity, and your ensuite toilet and bath. And in this space, ito naman yung magiging lugar para sa inyong bed frame. Fronting dito sa huge window ninyo facing sa facade ng property. You also have your split type AC and your media wall. Hallway, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. So lahat ng bedrooms dito has its own toilet and bath. Ganoon din with the split type AC. The location of your bed frame, additional space maybe for your console table or couch. Depende sa inyo. Again, lots of natural light coming from your huge window. Your walk-in closet, floor-to-ceiling cabinet, and your ensuite, toilet and bath. Let us skip itong bedroom 3 ninyo. So let's go up. Doon sa inyong third floor, nandun yung additional 2 rooms, your bedroom 4 and bedroom 5. Third floor, bedroom 4 and bedroom 5. Your ensuite, toilet and bath. Ang ganda nung kanilang ginamit for the cladding and flooring. The location of your bed frame, deep cabinets, very organized yung look, no? Your split type AC and your huge window fronting or facing dito sa back part ng property. That's it for our quick tour. My name is Dean, and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you, and see you next week.